What's going on, Tony Ronley? You know what I'm in the mood for tonight for dinner? Oh my gosh, this is going to sound so delicious. I am in the mood for some fried pork chops. Oh God. Pork chops. Look how much I paid for these pork chops, y'all. Look. The original price was $15.57. You know your boy paid only $10 for the big pack of pork chops.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Y'all. Both these, y'all. Look at them sales. You got to catch those sales. You got to catch those sales. My pork chops off. You got to wash your pork chops, okay? Because there be little bones on them. And you don't want your family biting on a bone and breaking a tooth. So, I wash my pork chops off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this chicken bouillon. And I'm just going to put it all on my pork chops and let that sit for like good about 20 minutes, okay? On, man, this is really, I love using this in all my use of food, man. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this on there, and I'm gonna use my hands in a minute just to make sure I get all on there and stuff. Okay, so I'll be back. Done seasoning the meat with the chicken bouillon, and I also added a little bit of the seasoning oil to all my pork chops. You don't want to put a lot of seasoning oil because you're still gonna be using some of this. Or I'm going to be using this Classic Fry, Louisiana Classic Fry. So it's always have like some seasoning in there, so you don't want to overdo it with the seasoning, okay? Everybody, for the oil, I'm going to be using some of this Crisco buttered flavored oil, okay? This is my first time using this, so we're going to see how this work out. It smells really good.
It's just like oil.
Yeah, but it's buttered flavored oil. What is Crisco? Yes, yeah.
Yeah, Crisco.
Yeah.
Butter. It's like hardened oil.
Yeah, so yeah, this is my first time using. Normally I would have the oil, but this is like the first time I'm using this kind for the frying. You know what I mean? So we're gonna let that bad boy melt down so we can get those pork chops in there. All right, remember the breading I got? I got Classic Fry, Louisiana. God damn it, Louisiana Fry. Get that in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the pork chops. I've been having that seasoning marinating on the pork chops for about a good hour, man. Good hour. So we go ahead, get your breading on here, man. Not your breading, but your, you know what I mean. Get that on there nice and good. Oh yeah. I should have cut a line in there. Damn it. Alright, look at that. Oh, that is gonna fry good. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna let that bad boy fry for about 4 minutes on each side. Alright, y'all, it's been 4 minutes. Now it's time to flip this bad boy. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. Look at that fried pork chop, y'all. That's gonna be so good. Alright, we're gonna cook this bad boy for 4 minutes on this side, and then we're gonna repeat. That's like 20 on me in there. God damn it. 4 minutes have passed. Let's get this bad boy out. Oh yeah, this is gonna be. I like to flip it one more good time, okay? One more good time. I'm gonna take that bad boy out, okay? I have to turn this oil down a little bit. Jesus. Alright, we got one down and 20 more to go, alright? I picked up the paste. I threw 2 of those bad boys in there, man. Look, I'm hungry. They need to cook ASAP. Alright, y'all, I am finally done all the pork chops. Oh my god, look at those pork chops, y'all. Let me get y'all close up. Focus. Oh my god, look at that, y'all. Got the gravy on deck. Mac and cheese on deck. Oh god. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And the good old mashed potatoes. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna make my plate so I can give y'all a bite test. This is my plate, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't tell me that don't look absolutely good. You know,
I said,
oh, I thought you were like,
no.
Okay.
All wrong.
Okay, all right, I take it back. That bad boy hot, y'all. Look at that. That pork chop cooked perfect. I don't have to go smash. I don't even want to talk. Peace.